ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಾನು ಅಚ್ಚ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಬಾಹ್ಯ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಭಾವನೆಗಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶಾಂತತೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊರ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣನೂ ಚಲನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಒಳ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಲನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಭಾವಕ್ಕೆ
ಜರ್ನಿ ಲೈಕ್ when journey outward, no, which I mean it is restricted. We can go somewhere only, but inward it's not like that. We can go anywhere. There is no visa, nothing is required. So wherever you want, you can go on, right? That is also. And also like expression. So sometimes in Bhaya Prapanchadalli, now we express modically. We think, okay, if I say this may feel hurt, or some, maybe my words feel some hurt to others. But inside it is not like that. Inward journey is not like that. Whatever you can say about yourself. Then one more thing is attachment. As long as you are very attached to the outside world, we lose ourselves. Means we don't know ourselves, we miss ourselves. So that's why Vivekananda Swami is there, no? At least once in a day we have to speak with you. Then only if you don't speak with you, you will miss one person which is created by the God, right? So that is the inward journey. So he will conclude what is the point he is going to conclude about the journey.
So the inward journey is the essential one that is the true meaning of what exactly life is and what role we have to play in it. Whereas the outward journey, you acquire the materialistic things, so you can like have a basic makeshift for focusing on the inward journey.
Outside world, judgment. In the world, in the outside world, we will be more judgmental, but inside, more calm and more peace.
Okay, for 5 minutes, we'll experience the different phases of human life. Maguvagi, Chananavagi, then from the small kid to the teenager phase, and to the adult phase, and to the human being phase, and how do we enjoy the materialistic life and longing for everything, and the desperate desire is longing everything, and we'll see the entire journey and what is the summary of this kid. And here, the mother is enjoying her motherhood, and the kid is in his own world, nothing worried about the future, no desire, and it's a very happy, divine phase of every human life. To be noticed one thing, you will not remember what was your memory during that age group, because that is the most divine phase of your life. Is it? The same thing, that's what is happening. And the mother is giving every hint. She will make her child very intelligent, make us a singer, make us a dancer. But the child is very happy in his own world. It doesn't worry about its future.
Listen to me. What are you listening to me nowadays? What is this? This is the bed. Right again. A. अभी नहीं जाना है, अभी पढ़ाई करना है। बातें सुन रहे हो अर्जुना? अभी जाओ क्या? अभी तो खाकर आए हो, खाकर भूले हो जाओगे। तो पढ़ाई करो, चलो दिखाओ।
And this is how the mother will compel the child to become a singer, to become a dancer, but the child doesn't know what is all that in the future. That's how the beginning phase of every human life is imposed. And the next stage, the next phase is adult age. Amma say something, kid will not listen.
What is this, Arjun? Like this only every time you want this, that.
I want Harley Davidson bike. I need to go for my college. I don't know. I want.
Listen to me first. Listen to me. Every time you want money for this, that when you're going to
No,
study.
no, I'm asking bike. I want Harley Davidson bike.
What are you doing?
No, I'm studying, but I need
This
for
time
my
you
college.
don't listen to me. Then only someday I'm going to buy.
Take me to
Otherwise,
the shop, then I'll.
don't give no resort, nothing. Nothing. You have to
I
study.
need-
No, cancel everything I cancel.
No, I can't listen. I need bike.
Come on, go inside. Take your book. Come on.
So during his teenage life, the kid will have his own plan, but the mother will have, the parents will have their own plan. And everything happens on their own because end of the day it's their life. There is no proper decision, lot of distractions, but somehow managing their life and entering into it. The same Archana is got employed and got married and bearing lots of responsibility on the shoulder. Now we are going to see the real face of the human life with baggages of responsibility on the shoulder.
ನನಗೀಗ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರು ಇದೆ, ಬೈಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹುಡುಕೋದು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಬುದ್ಧನ ಥರ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Now the same Archana realized he was enjoying, he got married, he had kids in international school, and he got a new house, constructed a new building, and he got a new car, but still he's not happy. Happiness is short term, but he's still not happy with what he has. And finally in search, Buddha gave him an answer. We are trying to find the pleasure with the outer world, but the happiness is really lies within us, within me, within my soul. And moreover, the happiness is not just the materialistic state, it's just within you, you have to find out. We are all aiming at the short-term pleasure, but we are not aiming at the peaceful in our life. So that's what the realistic. And the end moment, the life that begins as a kid and ended as like this. Shwasha iddare Shiva, Shwasha villadiddare Shava. Konegide, this is a state of samadhi. We can enjoy this blissful state even when we are around the materialistic life, when we control our desperate desire with a proper meditative mind. So that's how it is.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಾವು ಆನಾಪಾನಸತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಶ್ವಾಸದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಆನಾಪಾನಸತಿ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. By recalling this program, I am very grateful to very graceful to have a content like this. The journey from outward to inward in Gurukula system. The journey from outward to inward is not a strange subject. It has its own history, ancient history. We can call it as ancient history. Because in Gurukula, they taught both outward and inward topics. I can give an example. They taught skills like archery and they taught horse riding. These skills are helpful to protect us physically. In the same way, in Gurukula system, they taught also Ashtavarna. You might have known about Ashtavarna, Guru Linga Jangama, Vibhuti, Rudrakshi, Mantra, Bhagavata, Prasada. These are all protecting tools of our inner. So, in Gurukula system, we can find both physically and mentally physically and mentally improving tools and skills. Like ತನ್ನ ತಾನು ಅರಿತೊಡೆ ತಾನೇ ದೇವರು ನೋಡ. ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಅರಿತರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಳಗಿಂದನೂ ಅರಿಬೇಕು, ಹೊರಗಿಂದನೂ ಅರಿಬೇಕು. ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಅರಿತಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೇವರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾಯಕನ ಮನವಾಗಿ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Through Gurukula system, they will teach us how to develop a person's personality physically, mentally and spiritually. Majorly when we win ourselves, anything else is possible. So if we are winning ourselves, any kind of hard force we can win. I'll try to narrate through a small story. A warrior will be meditating, okay. A warrior will be meditating and then he will be distracting himself through a fly. So he is getting distracted from the outer world. So he is not able to concentrate because of distractions where he paid his attention towards his outer world. He will try to kill that fly, but how many times he is trying to kill that fly, it is getting doubled. So it is causing too much distraction to him. So finally he thought it is never ending process where he is not able to control the outer world. So he will imagine that a fly as he will imagine his inner world that he is meditating in a peaceful place where there is no disturbances. So he will concentrate on his meditation and then peacefully he is winning himself as well as he is trying to achieve his target. This is possible only because he won himself or he won on his thoughts. That is the reason why he is able to concentrate on the meditation or target whatever he fixed for himself.
In Gurukula meditation, they teach how to go inner, what to inner work, and the main thing they teach through the meditation and the silence.
Namaskar. Topic is from as Sir explained. Then I will come to the conclusion. Myself, my son has been studied in Gurukula. Right? So here one thing has been observed. I am actually a St. Joseph student myself, but as I had been taught towards the spiritual pujas, all those things. But when I had been came for my son purpose to search the schools, I not went for a St. Joseph school. I searched for a Gurukula school. So what are the changes? Why I had been giving this? It's a live example. When man has been said, we have discussed these things. For that purpose, I am sharing these things with you. So here, what the thing I had been seen in my son is the way of approach in a life. How we had been of a culture. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿಭೂತಿ ಹಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ನಾವು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು 9-10 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ಈ ಬುದ್ಧಿನೂ ಹಚ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ನಾನು ಮಗುವಿಂದ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಬರ್ತ್ ಐ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್, ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಸನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಗುರುಕುಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸು ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಸಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬೀನ್ ಫಾರ್ we have to earn the things, so I had to have a good life. To live for that we need money, for that purpose we need a high education. Frankly speaking, all of we need money. But we are losing our value somewhere, where I feel myself. That thing we have to be added in our kids. I thought that and I went for Guru school. Now we had been a very cultured as thought, as you said. So there is the one thing I had been with study. Yes, as Madam quoted, Sir quoted, moral, culture. So, that is a humble towards the society also we are getting there. That is the thing where they have been got in a Gurukul. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಥರ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
You're very fine hearing that. Wow, you're like, I got it here.
target brought it. No, I want to wear other dresses. But how could you wear?
Okay, so why are you crying? You must be having some explanation what she's telling you. You must have some explanation to defend yourself, right? You should tell her.
This is mine, I can't give it.
No, she's not asking other things. No, I have to wear dress. No, I've been younger here. I have to enjoy everything. I don't know why you cry always.
Whatever she's
I will start holding
when
you.
you start crying all of a sudden and make her feel guilty always. No, this was not good. You should have understanding. Crying doesn't mean that we all being very sympathetic to you. You're doing wrong things and crying also. It's like double care, you know.
ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೀನು ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತಾಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಿಜನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ಸರಿ ಇದೆನಾ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಇನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥ ಸತ್ಯ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
It's my dress. I have told I have to wear that. I told I want it.
ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋ.
He has already brought purchase between us. No, I want that dress to wear.
ನಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಧಿಕಾರ. ಇನ್ನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಶುರುಬೇಡ. Hello.
Hey, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Welcome, let's go party.
Yeah, another friend also. We'll call him also. Wait, you'll call him. Put conference and shall I put?
Yeah.
Ring, ring.
ಹಲೋ
Hello, Dennis. How are you?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗುಡ್
What are you doing? Are you free?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ
Yeah, let's go. Wait, I'll get my driver, my car, and everything, and I'll come.
I'll come in car.
Shall I pick you? Or you come in the car? I'll pick you.
But come on time, okay?
Yeah, I'll come on.
All right.
Okay.
So where are we meeting? Which park?
Any coffee?
Any park.
Okay, go for it. Okay, come.
Next day.
We'll party everything.
Party, everything.
And we'll go home there by
Tea market.
Ting, 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 ting.
Next day. Okay, next day.
Next day.
Printing coloring.
Hello. Yeah, tell me.
I'm out there.
I'm feeling so lonely. I don't know what I'm doing in my life.
There is no head down.
आपका गाल बहुत ज्यादा हो गया
बिना पैसे मैं तो परेशान हो गया मतलब बोल यार मैं थक गई इस लाइफ से रोज
I just feel so lonely, so sad. I'm just happy when I'm
अरे
in the
चुप
car.
कर यार तुम लोग you have car you have big house you are driver I'm so broken I don't have money I don't have anything
Being poor is more peaceful than being rich. We have to protect our
It's
assets.
okay.
I'm so scared where I lose that.
झगड़ा बंद करो बोलो इसका
always the other side of the grass looks greener my dear अरे रुकना यार मेरा दोस्त को बोलता हूँ यार
We need to find something. What is this? We have everything and we're still not happy.
मेरा
What
पास
should
कुछ
we
नहीं है
do?
फिर भी मैं परेशान हूँ मेरा पास सब कुछ है
इसके पास माँ है माँ जो अच्छा बनाती है
ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ आपने बोल रहा ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್ ಜೀವನ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್ ಸಾಕು ಈ ಲೌಕಿಕ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ
साइड में वो भी है उसके साथ
ಹಾಂ
इन्हें
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹಲೋ, ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ?
ಯಾರು ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್?
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅದೇ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್. ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್
अच्छा बात करता नॉर्मली बात नहीं होती तेरे से
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ,
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎನ್ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಕಿರಣ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. ಸರಿ, ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫೋನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ
ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೂಲಾಧಾರ ಚಕ್ರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಂತವ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಮಣಿಪುರ ಚಕ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಿಮಗೂ ಅನಾಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದವ್ರೆ. ಸೊ 3 ಜನನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
We had to pay for him, no?
Next, Pallavi, your experience.
So basically, I went to have, it's not real experience according to this kid. So we are all attached with worldly pleasures, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಿಂದ ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ರಿಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಭಯನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಅದಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಆರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೇಮನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಸೇ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, ಸೇ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ prays to God. So basically through Om, simple as Om, you get a lot of vibrations. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸ್ವಾಧಿಷ್ಠಾನ, ಮಣಿಪುರ, ಅನಾಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಫರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಫರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 11 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಅಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿಷಯದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಿಬೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು 11 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
Experience is full time.
All right. So I'm lucky to find Mangla. I mean, thank you so much for everything, and whatever I've learned from you is an amazing experience. So what I learned from you is clear goals, clarity in life, and be at peace in what you're having. So I think that's very clear, and that's helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ಮಯೋಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಜ್ಞಾನಯೋಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಗ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಿನ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಿಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊರಗಿನ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಿಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ
ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಳಗಡೆನೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕರ್ಮಯೋಗ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜ್ಞಾನಯೋಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕರ್ಮಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಷ್ಕರ್ಮ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೈಷ್ಕರ್ಮ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕರ್ಮ ಫಲದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೂ ಭಕ್ತಿಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಶರಣಾಗತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಪತ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಪತ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಶರಣಾಗತಿ. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಒಂದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ನಾವು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಕಣಪ್ಪ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಇದೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ದೇಹ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಾನಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಭಾವದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆತ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾವೇ ಆ ಆತ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮುಸುಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಮೋಡ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಸರಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕಲ್ಮಶಗಳು ದೂರ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಆತ್ಮ ಅಥವಾ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ಮಯೋಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಜ್ಞಾನಯೋಗ ಇದೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನಯೋಗ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಕರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ದೇಹ ನಾನಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನಾನಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವು ಬರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಂಥ ದೇಹ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಗನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅದೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಲ್ಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರ್ಮ ಫಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕರ್ಮದಿಂದ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್, ಧ್ಯಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಂತ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ? Our topic was from outward to inward journey. So all of you have spoken about different types and different topics, how we can go about from outward to the internal journey. However, outward journey is a very disturbed mind kind of thing, and we need to settle our mind. And any journey is incomplete by any one single methodology or way. So we need to take care of mind, body and soul. As soon as we came here, we had some activities which Madam has given us. So through that activity, we had almost forgotten ourselves, and also we had forgotten from where we were and to this place, isn't it? Otherwise, if that activity was not given to us, we would have remained at our homes mentally, at least. So that way, it requires a complete journey of mind, body, soul, and mind is one part. But first of all, it has to be the body, which we are taking care of through either exercises, physical exercises, pranayama, dhyan, pranayama and yogasana. These are the ones we need to follow to take care of our body. Mind and body. Mind is something like a monkey. So mind has to be taken care of. Like we cannot make our mind stand still. It cannot be made. So we need to go for alternative methodologies, which could be one methodology, one tool could be like we could go for mantra, puja and dhyana. Okay, mantra chanting. So when we are focused on mantra chanting or you are doing puja, your mind is focused there. That is one way where you can take care of your mind. And the soul is the ultimate one, wherein you need to really take care, and that I think it is through meditation. So meditation means there are different types of meditation, I cannot get into that, but meditation is one sadhana wherein you are taking care of your soul. So through this outward journey is a very disturbed part, wherein the 100 people or 10 people, you are working at a place with so much of karma yoga, bhakti yoga, whatever place, you are working sitting there. But so many people are coming to you and bombarding you with a number of thoughts. It
could be positive and or negative. They are giving you suggestions. But what you are is what determines the kind of decision what you take at that moment. If you have to take and go for the right decision, then your mind or your soul has to be internally very peaceful. Only then you can go for a right decision. If you are disturbed internally with lack of peace, then that becomes a greater disturbance and you will be disturbed outwardly, wherein you cannot take up any decisions. So that is why the journey from outward to inward becomes very, very important, and the tools are, a number of tools are there, but meditation is the one that could take care of the soul, as I have experienced. Thank you.
Very briefly, I want to conclude this. See, the journey from outside to outward to inward is a continuous process for all the living things on this earth. It might happen in this birth, in the next birth, in the next 100th birth or 1000th birth, but the mode is the channel to make it faster. Through this, as our elated souls already mentioned, yoga, pranayama, meditation, karma yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. See, in our regular life, every minute we need to know how to get our life inward from this outward world. Through Karma Yoga, as the Paramatma has already mentioned or has already guided us, don't expect anything from what you are doing. It has a very depth meaning. It doesn't mean that you do business, don't expect profits. You do business, but it means that give the best work, put hard work, best quality of material or product or service, but don't expect that everything will happen in 1 minute or the next moment. It will take its own time. For anything to happen, it's just a fraction of a second. So you got to wait. You got to be prepared to accept that. That is what our internal soul or our internal self has to lead to. With this, I want to thank